what's up, everybody? Hello, Kiriko Taiko community. My name is Walter. This is Ashley. We are back at Taiko practice. I hope everyone's staying safe from COVID-19. Actually, our prefecture, we haven't had any cases for about 75 days, so we're hoping it stays that way. But that's why we're back. We're able to come back to Taiko practice. It's just us two. We're in this ventilated room like we always are, and we're just practicing. So just wanted to share our practice with you guys today. What are you doing with your eyes? All right, so we got about 5 minutes until we have to leave, but we're gonna practice intro 3, intro 2, intro 1, and let's do it. Are you ready?
Yay!
Okay, all right, let's get to the drum. Here we go.
Good.
Feels good to play. Feels really good to play. All this built up, stress and tension from being at home on lockdown, okay? All right, guys, are you ready? Hey.
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。OK、はい、構えて。よっしゃElbows out, knees bent, like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And young man. All right, take a bow. はい、で。ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
All right, good job, Ashley. Fist bump or bocce bump or whatever. All right, guys. So that is Kiriko Taiko practice for this week. Yeah, it's great to be back. I hope you guys will be able to join us and enjoy Kiriko Taiko wherever you are in the world. Just wanted to wish everyone all the best. Be safe out there. Don't forget to wear your mask. And we're trying to be safe out here as well. We're taking every precaution that we can. Yeah, and we will see you guys next week. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm Walter and
Ashley.
All right, guys, take care. Bye.
Bye.